Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about variety and why I think it's so important to keep buying different pieces of silver and not let your stacking journey get too mundane and boring. Now I know there's many people out there that buy monster boxes or 100-ounce bars. They're not too interested in unboxing them, they put them away and it's purely an investment and they're not so fussed about holding the coins or the bars and looking at them. But for me, it's more of a hobby now. So stacking for me, I've been stacking for just over a year, and you get a bit of a buzz when you're waiting for something to arrive and the postman knocks on the door and then you unbox it and it just kind of keeps it fresh and exciting. So I think for me, if I was to go down the route of purely stacking tubes or bars and not even appreciating them, I think very quickly I'll get very bored of stacking and I'd lose interest. So I know everyone's different, and let me know in the comment section kind of how you look at stacking. Do you look at it as purely buying as close to spot as possible, purely an investment? You're not too fussed about variety as long as you're getting the closest to spot? Or do you look at it a bit more how I've kind of look at it, where you like just buying silver, and as long as you're converting your fiat currency into precious metals, you're happy? Now, every now and then it's nice to buy a bit more of a premium bar or a 1 ounce bar just because you like the look of it and it's not necessarily the closest to spot that you can get. But I think that's the way of making it exciting and keeping it kind of interesting. So today's video, I've just kind of got the different items to show you that I brought along the way. And like I said, some of these items are a bit more premium, some of them are quite a bit over spot, but I've just kind of been buying anything that I see that's a reasonable deal, looks nice. I've just been adding to the stack. Now I've even got myself some silver jewellery. This is sterling silver, so it's 92.50% silver. And again, I'm not really planning to wear this. I just wanted to have some silver in the stack because I just thought it was interesting to kind of have a different variety. It's not all about silver bars and coins. Sometimes it is quite nice to have something a bit more premium in the stack, something that you won't be buying all the time, but just to kind of keep it a bit more exciting. And that's kind of what this video is about today. It's about variety and just mixing it up, keeping it fresh, not getting so caught up in the price all the time. I know obviously the price is the main aim of the game. You want to get as close to spot as you can. But I think if you just purely focus on that goal, then you're going to very quickly get bored of stacking, and it's not going to become a hobby. It's going to become more of an investment, and you're not necessarily going to stack as much because you're not going to enjoy it as much. So that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you look at stacking silver as purely an investment, and you'll only buy things if they're really, really close to spot or a great deal? Or every now and then, do you kind of buy these more premium coins just because you want to kind of build your collection up and you enjoy looking at them and you like the variety? So, like I said, for me, it's definitely the second choice. I do like to get a good deal. I do like to get as close to spot as possible. But at the same time, it's nice just to have some silver, whether it be a coin, a bar, some jewellery, some junk silver, whatever it may be. As long as I'm still adding to my stack and I'm adding weight, that's the main aim of the goal for me. So like I said, it's a very short video just to kind of see your thoughts on this. Do you purely stack for weight, or do you treat yourself every now and then and buy something a little bit different just to keep it exciting? So as always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.